Non-ticklish.
It fell.
I ate too much stuffing. It went like right into the. It was like I had too much stuffing.
Instant motion replay. So we're going to the falls or something like that, and there's a car exhibition over there. So, yeah, I think we're going to the falls right now. Not quite sure, but there's and none of these cars have license plates on them. They don't have license plates on their fronts. Ours is the only one. So, yeah.
A lot of people.
Either way.
Yeah, but we're the only ones. This line's swinging very much.
Because I'm moving
Oh,
it.
jeez.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, there are a lot of people on now. There are a lot of people on now. Sorry if there's crying. Okay, here we go. The door slammed into me.
It's all right. We'll get to see the falls from last time. Yes, there you go.
Which line are we going on?
Doctor, doctor.
What is your name? Is your name no? Is your number no?
Here we go.
Your sign is fine. Your name is no.
What's going on?
Bodu's flying. Bodu feels so good. Oh,
There's the falls. Guys. There are people walking in the water down there. Do you want to do that? Apparently it's very, yeah. It'll be fine. But there's all that.
You're going to keep people allowed.
Here's the zip line. We're going on the zip line, right?
We're not doing the zip line shit. Mama, can you walk in the water like they are?
Yep.
That are in the water. Hopefully the water's pretty cool.
You know those 4 kids that we thought were playing on the water? Those are dogs.
I know. Yeah, we have to go up the stairs. Yeah.
We should do a round
See
trip.
up there. So we did the wrong thing, but I think we have to do that. Look, shit, there's a playground.
There's a round trip. Oh, look, there's another one.
Yeah, it's very shallow.
What do you think? Theirs is higher than ours. There's chairs. There's a chair in the water.
Where's all this water even go? Oh my god, it goes all the way back there.
Where do we stop?
Especially if you're a dog. Well, if you're a person too.
Okay, bye guys.
Go. Okay. Well, this is weird. Weeds is awesome. But I'm gonna just lay down on it
No shit, but the people want to use it.
now. Okay.
Just go down just go down the actual slide.
You dropped your phone.
I know, I put it there on purpose.
Move out of my way.
Oh my god, which slide are we going on?
God, here's that. Woohoo! Oh god. Oh god. Woo.
Guys, I'm wearing a dress, but I'm wearing shorts. shorts underneath because I always
That is
do.
horrible.
I can't go down. I cannot go down. No, like my skin keeps going against it. It doesn't want to go down. Dang it! That would have been fun. Hold on, I'll try it one more time.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. Here, sit on. Ah, hot! Hot! It's really hot. Ah, jeez, that does not work at all. Oh, jeez. Oh my god! Go down this middle one. Go down the middle one. I said go down it, not up it. That was hilarious. You know, I need to try that one. These slides are awesome. Which one was fun?
This one.
I'm gonna try that one. I don't know if my dress is gonna let me, but I'll try.
Not even that close to it, but you can still hear it.
I hope you can go in there. Yo, can you guys smell this? Oh, jeez. Oh. Well, we're gonna end up smelling like fish anyways, Diddy. It smells like fish, and the water's already spraying on us, so. I'm totally wet now, you guys. Like, look at all this. My glasses. Oh my god. That was epic. You want to go again? That was fun. Yo, you guys. Oh, that feels good.
Can we wear our shoes?
Woo.
There's a brick in here. Oh, there's a brick. So if you drop your phone.
Never do that ever without shoes.
I know, that's what I'm saying. You cannot go.
It hurts just to get into the water. You don't want to get in the water. Really high. That's where we are, and there's. I had to cage that in. And those bubbles. That's water from the waterfall. Shit, what the heck? It's crazy. Okay, wait.
I got water.
We both got slushies, but we ran out.
I improvised.
Shiv made like a what's it called? Triscuit? I don't even know what that is.
Okay, so
I thought it was a biscuit.
you have this, and you have one of these. You stick it in like this, but mine's broken right here. It worked once, I never saw it. You go like this, you go like this, this, and this. It needs to be straight, and eventually starts going flying in the air.
It just goes up.
Like that. See that fly? That fell up. Did you see that fly? We played the footage.
He didn't mean to do that. Did you mean to do that?
No. I didn't
Okay.
that way. The way that way.
All right, you guys need to watch that again. Instant replay.
See? It flies.
Okay, thank you. Congrats. You're back. You just dumped the water there. Stop. So those stairs right there?
There's a gate that fell over.
You said not to climb
There's a
them.
gate that fell over.
Oh,
Oh, I just got purpose. Just help me. Just help me.
I don't want to drop my phone by accident because like Shiv's already dropped 5 things, including water and that gate. No, I'm kidding. I really do wonder how that gate fell though. Was somebody endangered by it? Whatever. We walked up like 2 of these stairs. My feet hurt already. This hurts. Oh my god, I'm stairs. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Level ground. Woo. I've only got like 4 minutes to go because of my YouTube glitch. I need to put that in the next informing vlog too, so cool. I'm gonna be very careful. You guys, this bridge is moving. I'm scared. But I'm really scared. Beautiful, and there's zip lining. That lovely rainbow. Right over the water. That's nice. I'm just scared to put my phone over there. I'm worried that I'll drop it. Maybe I'll try. Okay. That's as far as I'm going. I'm not going any further. I don't want this hat to fall off. I need to screenshot that later. Wait. Where did my mom go? She's over there. Guys. That's what it looks like, man. I walked over there and it hurt really bad. I kept thinking I'd pull a muscle. Like left. Which I'm glad, because apparently it takes 30 minutes. And we were down there, the mist is spraying all over us. This is a really good thing. Yeah. So. You guys see it, but there's a lot of weird, like, stroke lines, streak lines. Now let me get to another better spot. You know what? I swear to God, this bridge is moving. Okay. They all have them, but that's like the best issues of stupid and decide to look down through the cracks on the planks. It scared me so bad. No, just don't do that. Unless you want to scare yourself silly, or if you're not afraid of falling down through them. But yeah. Before I forget to put this in, this bridge, this one was built in 1855. So it's been standing for like over like maybe 100 years, yeah, like 150 or something. It's stuck. Well, I'll get wrecked.